Assalam-o-Alaikum and welcome to my channel Invest in Your Health. Today we will ponder over gut health. Your gut, often called the second brain, is crucial for digestion, immune function, and mental well-being. It hosts trillions of microorganisms that break down food, produce vitamins, and protect against harmful bacteria. When this balance is disrupted, it can lead to issues like bloating, constipation, or more serious conditions. Diet plays a key role in supporting gut health, particularly through foods rich in probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are live beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy microbial balance in your gut, while prebiotics are types of fiber that feed these bacteria, helping them thrive. Together, they support a robust gut microbiome, essential for overall health. Fermented foods are excellent for probiotics, including yogurt, especially Greek or natural unsweetened, kefir, kombucha, sauerkraut, kimchi, tempeh, miso, and pickles, fermented, not vinegar soaked. For prebiotics, focus on artichokes, dragon fruit, garlic, mushrooms, oats, old-fashioned or steel-cut, soybeans, and a variety of fruits like bananas and blueberries, vegetables like onions and leeks, nuts like almonds, legumes like chickpeas, and whole grains like quinoa. Aim for diversity to get a range of fibers and polyphenols. This detailed note explores the best foods to heal your gut naturally, drawing from extensive research into gut health and nutrition as of July 10, 2025. The information is grounded in articles from Eating Well and Zoe.com published in 2025, ensuring relevance to current understanding. The focus is on probiotics, prebiotics, and dietary diversity, with a comprehensive list of foods and their benefits presented in a narrative style for clarity and depth. The gut, often referred to as the second brain, is integral to overall health, influencing digestion, immune function, and mental well-being. A healthy gut microbiome, comprising trillions of microorganisms, breaks down food, produces vitamins, and protects against harmful bacteria. Disruptions in this balance can lead to digestive issues like bloating and constipation, as well as more severe conditions such as inflammatory bowel disease or mental health disorders. Diet is a primary factor in supporting gut health, particularly through the consumption of probiotics and prebiotics, which nurture the gut microbiome. Recent trends in 2025, as highlighted by Food Navigator and Clasado Biosciences, emphasize the growing focus on gut health, with consumers increasingly seeking gut-friendly foods and beverages, driven by mounting evidence for their role in overall well-being. Probiotics are live microorganisms that, when consumed in adequate amounts, provide health benefits, particularly for the gut. They are often called good bacteria because they help maintain a healthy microbial balance, counteracting harmful bacteria. Prebiotics, conversely, are a type of dietary fiber that feeds these beneficial bacteria, promoting their growth and activity. This symbiotic relationship is crucial for a thriving gut microbiome, supporting digestion, immunity, and overall health. The latest research, as discussed in articles like those from Performance Lab and DSM Firmenich, underscores the evolving understanding of the gut microbiome, moving beyond simple bacteria counts to complex metabolic networks, with prebiotic fiber intake gaining emphasis in 2025 for its role in supporting gastrointestinal and non-digestive health areas, including immunity and cognitive function. Probiotic-rich foods, probiotics introduce live beneficial bacteria into the gut, enhancing microbial diversity and health. The following foods are recommended based on their fermented nature and probiotic content. Yogurt, particularly Greek or natural varieties, is a powerhouse of gut-healthy probiotics and proteins supporting the immune system. Choose plain, unsweetened options to avoid added sugars, which can feed harmful bacteria. Kefir, a dairy-based drink, offers more probiotics and protein than yogurt, shown to reduce inflammation and offer cardiovascular benefits. Opt for plain kefir to avoid added sugars. Kombucha, a fermented fizzy tea, provides a probiotic boost, potentially protecting against obesity-related comorbidities. Note that pregnant individuals should avoid it due to potential risks, as per Eating Well's guidance. Sauerkraut and kimchi, both fermented cabbage dishes, are both pre- and probiotic, rich in antioxidants, and may help prevent cancer, as noted in Eating Well's research. Ensure sauerkraut is refrigerated with live cultures, as heat can kill beneficial bacteria. Tempeh, a fermented soybean cake, and miso, a traditional Japanese seasoning, are rich in probiotics and protein, stimulating the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Pickles, as long as they're fermented rather than vinegar soaked, also contribute to probiotic intake, aligning with Zoe.com's list of fermented foods. Prebiotic-rich foods. Prebiotics feed the good bacteria, promoting their proliferation and gut health. The following foods are highlighted, covering a broad range to ensure dietary diversity. Artichokes are an excellent source of inulin, a prebiotic fiber that improves bone health, brain function, and blood pressure, as per Eating Well. Eating the whole artichoke, including leaves, maximizes benefits. Dragon fruit, rich in fiber, relieves constipation and may have prebiotic properties, making it ideal for smoothies or snacks, according to Eating Well. Garlic, a prebiotic that supports the immune system, helps maintain healthier blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels, as noted in Eating Well's research. Mushrooms, high in prebiotic fiber, may influence blood sugar levels, prevent gastrointestinal diseases, and protect against cancer, according to Eating Well. Oats, a balanced source of carbohydrates, protein, and fiber, are excellent for gut health. Choose varieties with minimal added sugars, such as old-fashioned or steel-cut oats, to avoid feeding harmful bacteria, as recommended by Eating Well. Soybeans, rich in prebiotic fiber and protein, are beneficial for heart and gut health, consumed as edamame, tofu, or soy milk, aligning with Eating Well's findings. Beyond these, Zoe.com emphasizes a variety of fruits like bananas, blueberries, watermelon, grapefruit, nectarines, and pomegranate, all rich in fiber and polyphenols. Vegetables such as chicory, Jerusalem artichokes, onions, leeks, Savoy cabbage, and green peas also contribute, providing diverse prebiotic fibers. Nuts like cashews and pistachios, legumes including chickpeas, lentils, baked beans, red kidney beans, peas and pinto beans, and whole grains like bulgur, quinoa, buckwheat, spelt, bran, barley, rye bread, rye crackers, and couscous are all high in prebiotic compounds, feeding good gut bacteria and supporting microbial diversity. In conclusion, healing your gut naturally involves a diverse plant-rich diet focusing on probiotics and prebiotics. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut provide the live bacteria your gut needs, while prebiotic-rich options like artichokes, garlic, oats, and legumes feed those beneficial bacteria. Beyond these, aim for a diverse diet filled with at least 30 different plant foods weekly to support a thriving gut microbiome. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice, as individual responses may vary and more research is needed for tailored recommendations. This approach, supported by current research as of July 10, 2025, can significantly enhance gut health and overall well-being.